In 2026, health savings accounts quietly became one of the most powerful retirement tools in the tax code. Most people still use an HSA like a spending account, but the rules have changed. And if you use it the right way, this can be one of the most tax efficient accounts you'll ever have. Let me show you what changed and how to use it correctly. For those of you who are new here, I'm Stephen Lee. I'm a CPA and a certified private wealth advisor. And for nearly 20 years, I've worked in corporate and personal tax, helping high earning professionals, business owners, and families make smarter tax decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Let's get right into the video. The 2026 numbers. Let's talk numbers because the IRS just gave us more room to run. For the 2026 tax year, the contribution limits have hit an all-time high. For self-filers or single individuals, it's $4,400. For families, it's $8,750. Catch-up, that's those 55 or older, an extra $1,000. If you and your spouse are both over 55, you can shelter nearly $11,000 this year. That is a straight deduction off your top-line income. And if you're in the 35% or 37% bracket, the IRS is effectively subsidizing over $4,000 of your retirement savings just for using this account. I'm planning to launch a weekly Q&A very soon where I'll be answering your real questions regarding taxes, money, business, and retirement directly on the channel. So starting now, drop your questions in the comments below. If you see a question you like, give it a thumbs up so I know to prioritize it. Thank you again for watching, and let's get back to the content. The One Big Beautiful Bill upgrade. Medical is now broader. The second big upgrade in 2026 involves what we call qualified expenses. Under the new tax guideline, the definition of medical care has been modernized. We're seeing much broader acceptance for preventative wellness. Things that used to be gray areas, like certain high-end diagnostics, nutrition-based therapy for chronic conditions, and even some medically necessary home upgrades, are now clearly defined. What does that mean? You now have a massive list of ways to get your money out of the HSA without ever paying a dime in tax. It's no longer just for emergency surgery, it's for your longevity lifestyle. The HSA is the only account that gives you the Roth benefit on the way out and the traditional benefit on the way in, a tax deduction. And here is the 2026 kicker. Once you hit age 65, the HSA acts exactly like a traditional IRA. If you want to buy a boat with it, you can. You just pay the income tax. But if you use it for the $400,000 in medical expenses the average couple pays or faces in retirement, it's 100% tax-free. No IRA can do that. The Shoebox Strategy. Now, here is the secret that my private clients use to build seven-figure HSAs. Stop spending your HSA money. Number one, max it out each and every year and invest it in low-cost S&P 500 index funds. Number two, pay for your current medical bills out of your pocket using your taxed income instead of the HSA. Two things to watch for in 2026. First, you must have a high deductible health plan. If you switch to a PPO mid-year, you must prorate your contributions or face a stiff 20% penalty. Second, keep your digital shoebox of receipts backed up on the cloud. If you're audited in 10 years, you'll need those to prove your tax-free withdrawals. I'm Stephen Lee. Keep more of what you earn, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.